Protect vulnerable equipment from sudden changes in voltage with the DTK KG2 or the CoolGuard 2 from Ditek. The CoolGuard 2 protects the sensitive electronics in HVAC equipment from potentially damaging undervoltage and overvoltage events. The CoolGuard 2 also incorporates Ditek's state-of-the-art surge protection to shield mechanical components from damaging voltage surges and spikes of up to 50,000 amps. Red and green LED indicator lights show the present voltage condition. When a surge is detected, the CoolGuard 2 safely disconnects power to the system for 3 minutes, allowing input voltage to return to the normal range and offering ideal protection for inverter-driven compressor systems and mini-splits. During installation, the CoolGuard 2 saves you time by automatically calibrating to 120/240 VAC or 120/208 VAC split-phase circuits up to 40 amps. It's also widely compatible with systems that use half or 3/4 inch MPT flexible conduit. The polycarbonate enclosure even allows the unit to be installed in harsh outdoor environments. The CoolGuard 2 intelligent voltage monitor from Ditek comes with a 10-year limited warranty and always ships free from Supplyhouse.com. Get more info about the Ditek CoolGuard intelligent voltage monitor here, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.